friends. So today we'll be studying about the plant kingdom. We have already done with the introduction to the kingdoms and the mineral kingdom. So today we'll see how features of plant kingdoms we can see in patients in a practice and how it is helpful, how this differentiation is helpful in a practice. Okay, so let's go. So this is said by Dr. Clark. He has said that there is strong therapeutic likeness between the members of two botanical groups, and this grouping it can be very helpful in a materia medica study and in a practice. So it is necessary that we segregate them into different groups and study that groups, study their features. Okay. So in general, idea about the plant kingdom that they are living beings. They do feel, they do have some sensations, the feelings, their reactions. Okay, and they need certain environment to grow, that is sunlight, the environment, soil, water, certain conditions, yeah, climate, season, and they respond to it, they adapt to everything. We can see plants adapt to everything, every climate, right? Same is we can see in the features also. These people, they are generally very emotional, very organized, very disorganized, not organized, very disorganized, affected by things, affected by their environment, affected by the conditions around them, influenced, very emotional, very sentimental, right? So the main issue we can see is sensitivity and reactivity. They sense something from the environment, from the conditions, and they react something, or they either adapt to it, right? So usually what they speak is that I am affected by this, I am hurt by this affects me a lot, this thing affects me, I'm touched by this thing, when this happens I'm shocked. So this is what plants speak. Minerals speak that this I am affecting my capability, it's me that is the problem, it's my capability that is the problem, it's my performance that is the problem. In animals it is the other person that is the problem, but in plants it is what that person does, and that what it does, it is inside me what that happens, that is what affects me. I am affected, it is me who is affected, right? So the problem is not in himself, like the mineral, where I lack something or I don't have something, I'm losing something. But the problem is something from outside, something in outside that happens and that affects me. The conditions, the environment around me, what happens and that affects me. Okay. So each family, each group, it has its own sensitivity, own reactivity to it. And we have the sensation and the reaction of each family we can see. Okay, so the nervous system is receptive and they are affected by some stimuli, right? So we generally ask them, what affects you, what is the effect of this? They'll speak what affects. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, there's a fear of dog if you take. Okay, so mineral fields speak that I lack the ability to protect myself, I don't have that ability, that capability to protect myself. So I feel fearful. I feel fear of being alone. Right? One animal will say that that dog is dominating me. He takes over me. He pounces me. Right? He smashes me. This is what the animal language is all about. Who is superior and who is low? The hierarchy issue. Who dominates one and who gets dominated? The victim and the aggressor. This is how animal works. Plant will say that a dog will come and bite me, and there will be a pride and joy, woo, like this. This is what is a plant. There is a sensation, there is a fear, fright, terror, and he will respond to it. Either he will go away, run away, or he will fight with him. This is the expression Solanacea, the belladonna, or either there will be someone who like, what if he bites me and that pain will be so much. It will be just like piercing, something is poking or something is piercing. You can say like this. So this is what sensitivities. The outside something is happening and it is affecting me. So this sensation, this reaction, where it can be seen? It can be seen in the chief complaint. The most and the very most important thing. That is the chief complaint. Emotions, every emotions, what they speak about themselves in general in nature, yeah, their delusions, what they see in the stressful situations, their dreams, their fears, everywhere it can be seen reflected. Okay, so let's take some examples of families. The Loganesi family, it feels shock, shattered, disappointment, paralyzed, convulsions, yeah, spasms, cramps. This is what these family shows. The Gelsemium, Naxwamika, Ignatia, right? Naxwamika, bad news, affected, shocked, shattered, disappointed. What was mine? What was my position? What was my bed that is now been taken away by someone else? So he will make desperate attempts. The miasm, soaring miasm, he will make desperate attempts to it. Gelsemium on the other end, he will say, when I heard this news, someone has died. I just fall down from there. I just fainted there and there. There was diarrhea. This is how the Chelseaman people will react. There was cramps. I just felt like there is nothing in my body. I feel as if I am paralyzed. Ignatia, on the other hand, not react to it. He will hold up everything. He will control up everything. Not show also that I am affected by this. Bad news, but he'll control everything. You can't see in his face. Cruciferi family. There's the block. Some people say that, once I had a patient who said, doctor, when he had some hearing problem, okay. So he said that, doctor, when that speaker, when I'm somewhere in a seminar and when the speaker is speaking, I feel as if there is some block between me and him. There is block and it can't go on a smooth flow. When I can't hear him properly, there's a block. I can't hear him. I said, tell me about this. I said, it can't be free. It is somewhere obstructed. Somewhere the flow is obstructed. So this is what Cruci family feels like. That they are going and there is some block. They're going and there is some block. Okay. Composite. The Arnica family. Injury, bruises, wounds. Yeah. You have Arnica, Chamomilla, Calendula, all these things. So how they represent injury? It can be mental, it can be physical, it can be any injury. Arnica, on one hand, he has fear of someone who will approach me and I'll get an injury. Chamomilla, he'll hit back. If you injure me, I will injure you in return. So action and reaction equal and opposite, right? This is how family helps. Solanaceae, the Belladonna, Stramonium, Hyoscyamus family. There's a fear, fright, terror. Either he will run away or either he will fight back. There's a deep terror, na? As if there's something is happening. The child gets up, screams and hugs. Stramonium. Belladonna. When fear, many especially your patients will say you, doctor, when I'm fear, na, I start with Hanuman Chalisa there and there. It's just fear, it's just terror, I'm just frightened. Maybe like, ooh, like this. This is the fight, fear, terror. So they feel something around them happens and they feel something, either passively or actively. Passively they will have flight or actively they will flight or they fight with it. Either you run away or either you fight back. So we see a case, okay, from my practice. It's a very nice case and I hope it will help you. So this is a case of 61-year male with prostatic enlargement, and the main complaint was that urine, it is interrupted, it is dribbling, there is a loss of force, loss of speed, and there's persistent, he feels that the urine is left, lot of urine is left still, it's not completed, incomplete filling. Yeah, the urine is not completely flown out. So, and there are multiple streams during urination. This was only what he complained about when he came. So I said, what do you feel when all this happens? I said, oh, how it feels? So he said, I don't feel relaxed. In Marathi, he said, relax watat nahi. So I said, tell me about this. He was again and again saying this same thing. Relax watat nahi, relax watat nahi. I don't feel relaxed. So I said, tell me what is this relaxed? Yeah. He had different problems, other that is impotency, nausea, irritations and all. Will not go deep. So I said, tell me about this relax, which is okay. So I don't feel moka. I don't feel mukt. Mukt watat nahi. Moka watat nahi. Mukt means I don't feel free. I don't feel relaxed. I don't feel free. So tell me about this, that you don't feel moka, you don't feel mukt. So he said it is as if there is a small khadda or there is a small hole, there is water in it and it can't move. So I didn't understand this exactly. No? It can go anywhere. We can't say what is this, which is this. So I said, tell me more about this. So he said, it is as if धरलेला आहे याला, अडथळा आहे, बांधलेला आहे. That it is tight, there is some block and it has been caught. So I didn't understand still. I wanted to understand it more. I explained it more. He said, Shant, what is Nischal, what is in Nistab? There is no movement. There is no motion. So he said, when the water is flowing and some blockage is there, or when you're going on your bike and someone comes in between. This is what he said. वाहत्या पाणीला अडथळा और जोरात गाडी चालवतोय आणि कोणी समोर येतं. It feels like this. So what do you feel? I said, अडथळा वाटतो. That is block. I feel an obstruction. So how you react? He said, I get angry, but I don't speak him anything because I don't have power. So I avoid those things. So I said, tell me again more how you feel exactly. What is the experience yours? So I feel nistabd, bandlela, pratikar shakti nahi. I don't have any reactive power to him. So I said, tell me more about this. So there's a more case. Then I went to dreams. Okay. So he said there's a pile of bricks and I'm running and मला कोणीतरी गोली झाडली आणि तेव्हा मोकळं वाटलं. The another dream was hospital. Now see how this thing goes somewhere. Okay, dreams of hospital. So what he says, मला घाण वाटतं तिथे. I mean hospital and all there is dirt and all. So how you feel? I said. He said किळस वाटते. So I said, explain this. It's like all stools are there. Okay, and in those stools I feel I'm stuck. I don't feel I can't move. I feel I'm बांधलेलं there. Okay, लवकर बाहेर पडायचंय. In washroom, what I feel, all soil stools and all, लवकर बाहेर पडायचंय. अडकलोय, सुटत नाहीये. I'm stuck here. I'm caught up. Someone has tied me and I have to just go from here. So it was just like this. Okay, the image. So I asked him more. So he said, one more thing, that whenever there is some question in my mind, okay, and I try to solve it and I don't succeed, I feel as if I am guntavlela. This is what gesture he used, guntavlela. There is some thread, and when it is all mixed up, how you feel like this? He says, I feel like this. So I said, tell me what comes to your image or anything. He said, there is a small road you are going, and on the either side someone is sitting. So there is a flow and there is a block in that. You are going, here is someone, again you have to go here, again here is someone, again you go here, again here is someone. So I can go properly from that road. This is how I feel. There is some block, some obstruction in my way. So I said, how you feel? I don't feel mokla, I don't feel free. And if there is no one in the road, I feel free. I feel smooth flow. There is mukt. I feel mukt वाटते मला. Feels relaxed. He says, when I have to go to some narrow passage also, I don't go. I don't like that bolya zaga, that narrow passage, narrow roads, where there is houses or everything, immediately face to face, those slums areas and all. Why? Because I feel gunta gunti, turungat. I feel as if I'm in prison. I'm gudmarga sarka, mokla वाटत नाही, कोंबले वाटते. Just this thing, this image, or you can say this image like this. Huh? How you feel? Arthala, nistab, nishkriya. There is no movement. So I want movement. If there is mokri zaga, if there is free space, I feel free. I feel smooth flow. Like this. There should be no one in my road. I don't want one bhajiwala here, one fruit seller here, one here, one here. I want it to be free. Hobbies also, see how this is reflected now in his hobbies. So what he says, he was some reading like some movie songs or some like Ingmar Bergman. I don't know what is this. There is some movie or some comic on this. So he says that there is one person who is running all around, all around, all around. Because all the doors are closed. Wherever he goes, the door gets closed. Wherever he goes, the door gets closed. So he said, this is what I like. So I said, what do you like in that the most? Or what is that which felt you most? Huh? So he says that when that person runs everywhere, that is the scene that I am affected most. I feel as if I am there. And what happens? He said that whenever he goes, the door gets closed. Whenever he goes here, another door gets closed. So he says, I don't want this. I feel as if somewhere like कोंदलेले वाटते, निष्क्रिय, हालचाल नहीं. There is no movement. There should be a movement which would be free. मोकळे, बाहेर पडायचंय. I want to be free. मला मोकळा पाहिजे. मोकळे वाटायला पाहिजे. Then he says, Doctor, I have deafness. What I said you recently in the above example, this is what it was this. He said, when there is someone speaking and I am listening, there is some blockage. There is some हातबळ like feeling. शक्तिहीन, अडथळा आहे असं वाटतं, अडथळा आहे. मोकळे वाटत नाही. This is what he felt. This is what the exact image, exact what he drew and exact what he felt that moment. That I'm going and there is something in between. I'm going and there is something in between. So I will not go much into this past history and all. So I gave him upon all these things, see what he drew. This was what he drew, the image. That these narrow places, I don't want to go there. All gitchmade there, all very mixed up, packed up and all, because I want free flow. This was another thing, that you are flowing and there is some obstruction. You are flowing and there is some obstruction. Okay, so I gave him Cochlearia armoriaceae single dose, 1 ml, and the follow-up was quite good. He said, I'm feeling mokla now, I'm feeling relaxed. There is no obstruction. There is no urine left also. Slowly, everything was going good. Yeah. This was how he felt. The image which shows that you want free flowing something. There should be no obstruction. This was what happened in the follow-up. When he had nose obstruction and voice problem, some voice hoarseness. He said, I don't feel mokla. The voice should come up easily. There should be smooth flow of voice. And he has some nose problem also. He said, I feel obstructed. I want some smooth flow of air taking in and air taking out. It is as if my blood is not allowed to flow, he said. It is caught. Someone has caught it. Someone has obstructed it. There is no another road. I want another way. बांधलेले, मोकळा वाटत नाही. Many people on both sides. Again the same image. So I repeated another dose because the same feeling was there. So what is said, another example, that it is the tap water which is flowing and you tie something over there. How you feel? This is exactly what I feel. This was very spot on feeling. Just like this. The tap is flowing, tap water is flowing and you obstruct it, you tie something in. So the post-voidal It was earlier was 140 and then it came to 40, 124 it was earlier, then it came to, so he had no complaints anymore of urine. He felt if the urine is happening properly, the urine is going smooth flow, there is no dribbling, there is no residual urine left in. He didn't feel relaxed earlier, now he felt I'm relaxed. I didn't have to repeat it again. So the words were relaxed, mokla, mukt, dharad, arthala, bandlele, nishkriya, nischal. So you can see the anacardiaceae family, something like cod, stiff, You can see something like primulaceae, euphorbiaceae, all this cod stuff, stiff feeling. Yeah. And something like row to nitrogen, oxygen, I'm caught, I'm stiff, I'm to just come out. But it was not the mineral remedy. It was something like plant, the sensitivity was reflected. The mineral features were not seen. So the sensation is arthala, bandlele, guntavlele. Passive reaction is nischal, nishkriya. I can't move. I am paralyzed as if. And the active reaction is mukt, mokle, relaxed. See this, same. It's a free flowing, there's some obstruction, and then I feel I can't move. I feel I am stiff. I feel caught, not stiff. I feel caught up. Not a free flow, obstructed. The tap water is free flowing. Guntam lele, what he said, all things, all mixed up, crapped up. And the way when he's going, something again comes up. When he goes, something comes up. So this was what was. The DD was anacardiaceae, that is the Mangifera indica. The psychotic miasm was more of C, that I avoid it. I don't have power. I know my weakness. I don't react to it. He said, when people come, I get angry, but I don't have power, so I don't react. So I don't do anything. I take another way then. If it would have been a soric remedy, it would have been of struggle that I speak, I tell them to move, and then I go. Psychotic miasm, they don't generally open up their weakness. They know their weakness. They hide their weakness. Another was birds that, I want to come out. I want to be free flowing. I'm caught up. And the nitrogen oxygen element. Okay. So I have given him cochlearia and he was very, very nice after this remedy. He didn't need just 2 doses and no more. See in Scholten in links, what Scholten has written in it, that there is dreams of being bound or being stuck and not able to get out. The cochlearia armoracea remedy. It is written this. Dreams of being bound or being stuck and not able to get out. That was all what we saw. The dream of hospital. The dreams of being soiled up, stuck, I'm not able to get out. I want to get out of here. I want to feel free. I want to feel not obstructed. Right? So what Dr. Sankaran has written in plants, that the main sensation of cruciferum is of being obstructed, stuck, mentally and physically. Initially, there is a smooth flow and then is a block. And then the person sees diversions. There is a desire to walk for long distances. They cannot tolerate a block in their flow. The flow should be smooth. The way should be free flowing. They don't want anything in between, anything to be in between and blocking it. And the images used are huge stones block the way of river. So it tries to find some another diversion. Liquid is trapped in bottle, the lid is closed, the pipe is narrowed down at some point. There is no proper flow. That was all the image what he gave us. With the nose, like as if there is some tooth placed, not free flowing, the tap not free flowing, something is tied. All the things exactly all what he said us. This was what I said, that I'm going and something comes up. So the main source words are obstruction, block, stop, stuck, hindrance, barrier, free movement, moving ahead, passage, smooth flow, interrupted, narrow, broad, unhindered, release, not release, passage, clogged, clogged. Huh? How the tap was clogged, how that pipe image which I showed you earlier, how it was clogged, right? See, I'll show you again. This is what is clogged. This all jammed up, here and there. So they feel like this bottleneck, choked, smooth flow. So the main sensitivity, main reactivity sensitivity of this family is flow and blockage. Okay, so that's what's the features and everything about the case. I hope you have understood from this what it means, how they get affected, what they feel sensitive about. And a plant, it always, when there is a sensation, there will be opposite of it, the reaction or the compensation. I hope you have understood how plant feels, how plant reacts, how plant adapts, how is the sensitivity. They feel something, no? Something is happening to me. What is happening? I feel cramped. I feel stuck. I feel as if some tight from there, something which is holding me up. I was shocked. The ignitia, the gelsemium, the nuts. Something happens. Yeah, the Solanaceae, the flight terror. Ooh, how they terrified. They just hug someone. This is, see how this sensitivities are very beautifully we see in this in patients. So next time we will come up with the animal kingdom, and then we'll explore each a little more. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you have any questions, do write to us, do email me, do write to me on Instagram page or on my mobile number. And if anyone wants to learn more, we have now created a WhatsApp group where every day we do some rubric activity, some repertory activity, some learning about the Metra Medica, the kingdoms, the miasms, everything, the sensation and everything. We are doing very nicely. If someone wants to, do let me know. Do message me. I'm giving my mobile number here. Okay, and you can follow us on Instagram also at Aryan Homeopathic Clinic. This is our Instagram page. You can write to us over here. Okay, thank you.